You all are wholeheartedly welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Today is Narendra Modi's birthday. Many happy birthday wishes to Narendra Modi from all over India. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, often known as Narendra Modi or simply Modi, was born on September 17, 1950, in Vadnagar, a small town in the western Indian state of Gujarat. He was born into a humble family. His father, Damodar Das Modi, worked as a tea seller and his mother, Hiraben, was a homemaker. Narendra Modi belonged to the Ghanchi community, which is categorized as an other backward class in India. Young Narendra Modi had a simple upbringing. He helped his father in selling tea at the Vadnagar railway station during his early years. But his parents taught him to struggle, that everything can be achieved by struggling in life. As a student, Modi showed a keen interest in debates and drama. He had a curiosity about the world beyond Vadnagar. He completed his schooling in Vadnagar and later earned a bachelor's degree in political science from the University of Delhi. Modi's political journey began when he joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), a right-wing Hindu nationalist organization, during his college years. He became an active member and received training in the organization's ideology and activities. After completing his studies, Modi worked as a full-time pracharak campaigner for the RSS. During this time, he traveled extensively across India, spreading the organization's message and ideology. Narendra Modi's entry into electoral politics happened in the early 1980s when he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), a right-wing political party affiliated with the RSS. He began working at the grassroots level, serving in various organizational roles. Modi's dedication and organizational skills quickly earned him recognition within the BJP. He rose through the ranks, serving as the General Secretary of the Gujarat unit and later as the National Secretary of the party. Narendra Modi's most significant political role came in October 2001 when he was appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. This was a challenging period as Gujarat. There was a huge earthquake in Gujarat recently in 2001. During his tenure as Chief Minister, Modi focused on economic development and infrastructure in Gujarat. His policies were credited with bringing about significant industrial growth in the state. However, his tenure was also marred by controversy, particularly the 2002 Gujarat riots, which resulted in the deaths of many people, mostly from the Muslim community. Modi was re-elected as Chief Minister of Gujarat in subsequent state elections and continued to receive both praise for his economic policies and criticism for the handling of the 2002 riots. His growing popularity in Gujarat eventually catapulted him onto the national stage. In 2013, Narendra Modi was named the Prime Ministerial candidate of the BJP for the 2014 Indian general elections. He campaigned extensively across the country, promising development and good governance. The BJP won a decisive majority, and Modi became the 14th Prime Minister of India on May 26, 2014. As Prime Minister, Narendra Modi initiated various initiatives and reforms, including Make in India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Campaign, and Digital India. His government also introduced the Goods and Services Tax (GST) and took steps to promote financial inclusion. In 2019, Modi led the BJP to another resounding victory in the general elections, securing a second term as Prime Minister. Modi's tenure has seen a robust foreign policy, with visits to several countries and efforts to strengthen India's position on the global stage. Recently, India reached the moon through Chandrayaan-3. Modi had a big contribution in this because it was he who asked this project to work faster. In today's era, Modi is emerging as a global leader. Recently he has given a slogan One Earth, One Family. Narendra Modi's journey from a modest background to becoming the Prime Minister of India is a remarkable story of ambition, dedication, and political acumen. His leadership has left a lasting impact on Indian politics and the nation's development trajectory, while also generating significant debate and discussion on various fronts. Friends, how did you like this video? Please tell us by commenting. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. At this time we need your help, so please subscribe to the channel.